I know. It's like the first time my makeup been this good. She was so nice. I loved her.
I just feel so at home.
I know. She was so nice. She was like, yeah, go ahead, girl. Set up your camera. We just got our makeup done. Now we're in Walmart trying to find another SD card. We got 2 hours to kill until the photo shoot.
Or just printer thing.
Oh, wait. It might be. No. They're smaller. They might be over here. Because my SD card keeps running out of storage. Let's see. I don't know which one I have right now. I think I have the SanDisk. I think that's a good brand. Got the 128. Thank you.
You're welcome.
When did they get Charlie's in Walmart? Our Walmarts don't never have no shit like this. That's crazy. I'm about to go get me a lemonade. If you know me, you know I love a strawberry lemonade. I don't know if y'all can hear me. We're at the studio getting dressed in the dressing. About to go to our photo shoot. You look so cute. We are ready. She's going first for her birthday photo shoot, and then it's me. You look too cute. I love the red. Like, I really do. Yes, it's cute. Period. We're about to get our photos taken. I'm gonna put this on.
Okay. Outfit of the day.
Outfit check. Okay, what's it from? Where is it? Oh, she made the skirt herself.
She Amazon. I ordered on.
She Amazon. No, that's right.
Not good. I sew the clothes on.
Okay, DIY.
Yeah, Fashion Nova. She Amazon. She. This is from my actual graduation.
Period. Because we're graduates over here. 2025. I am too. She's high school, I'm college, but you know. Okay, successful photo shoot. Our shit looks so good, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, especially yours. Her raw pictures was eating. Like, I was like, girl, you don't even need no edits. Like, it was so cute.
Not photogenic at all.
Me neither, but he has some good poses.
Yeah,
especially for you.
He told
he
me
has some
everything to
really
do.
good poses. We've been done for like an hour.
Yeah, we just been picking pictures.
Picking pictures. That's the hardest part, picking all the pictures. We had 180 photos and we had to pick, what, how many do we end up picking? I think I picked like 18.
I had, 18.
You had 18?
Yeah.
You might have more than me.
I know, so you had 12.
Like, okay, I had like 12. Yeah, I had 12.
I had 18.
You had 18. Yeah.
Your necklace.
Out of 180, that's a lot to go through. Okay, y'all, we're back in Louisville. Period. You look cute. We stopped at, what's it called? Joella's Hot Chicken.
We can take a picture.
Yeah, this is real nice.
Feeling like an influencer today.
I know. I actually really like their chicken. I be coming here a lot. About to smash.
Big Blue Nation.
Don't do that.
Wildcat, stand up. Don't pay attention to this L on my chest.
Okay.
This is Cap. Big Blue Nation, BBN, all the way.
I go to U of L.
Go Cats.
He goes for the opposing team. Literally, he goes for our rival. How you gonna go for your girlfriend's rival?
Go Cats.
Like, make it make sense. Anyways. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. This is my first time ever going to homecoming in the 4 years I've been at this school. Hopefully it's fun. I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit overhyped. What you think?
Shit, I ain't never been.
He don't know either. We lame. We stay in the house. I'm actually excited. I'm excited. I cut up a little shirt. A little shirt I got from Goodwill.
Looks good on you, man. Looks good on you.
Thank you. We're about to have fun. About to tailgate a little bit. Drink a little bit. Smoke a little bit. Smoke a little bit. We get fucked up. Hey. How you know? You trying to copy me.
You think you
Trying to copy me. We about to have a ball. Let's go.
Everybody gotta do it. Oh look, bam, that's called a stream pass. That's called a tackle.
And that's how the fuck you do it at homecoming.
I'm not a movie. You don't stop acting like I'm rude. I'm not, I'm just singing a song.
So why'd you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't okay. I'm falling. I don't give a fuck, but you know I gotta be. I don't give a fuck. Touch me like you. Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here and like explain a little bit of what's going on because I know this video is probably all over the place. It's finally the week before my graduation. Actually, I have less than a week. Let me put this glove on because I do not want to burn myself today. I have less than a week before I graduate and it's so crazy. Like, I don't really know how to feel. Today's Sunday. I graduate on Friday. I have a lot of stuff to do before then. Today, I'm taking my graduation pictures. Technically I already took graduation pictures. I'm gonna add those clips in this video. Yeah, so I already took some at the beginning of the semester because the photographer was having like a end of the summer deal, so it was really cheap to get the photo shoot. I drove down to Cincinnati with my sister because she also wanted to get her pictures taken for her birthday, so we made like a girls trip out of it. And obviously I'm still gonna keep them, still gonna post them. I did the first photo shoot in a studio, but I kind of wanted to do like a different one, more traditional on campus, so that's why I scheduled this photo shoot. Y'all, I was so scared I was gonna have to cancel it because it's been snowing outside. The weather is so cold. Like, I didn't think it was gonna come through, but we here. I also have my last final today and I really don't know how to feel. Like, I feel like school has been my life for so long. I don't know what to do when I'm not in school. I feel so unproductive when I'm not stressed out about school, you know? I don't know. I might be weird.
Look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they painted. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let on talk, but it bothers me.
About to do the smoke bombs, y'all. Okay, we experimented with the smoke bombs. Yeah, that'd be cute. Where are you going? I'm going to Galen. Oh, okay. So that's 2 years from now.
Tell me when y'all ready.
I'm ready. Ooh, you put that whole thing in the
Come over here.
I can't see. My eyes turned up. Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
My eyes
The last one.
almost died. I'm 3 days out from graduation. It's about that time. So I'm about to decorate my graduation cap. I got a whole bunch of supplies. I got a couple things from Michael's. I'll show y'all everything real quick. This is from Michael's. Got some flowers, pearls. I don't know if y'all can really see this. It's gold letters. And then I got a couple things from Shein. Got some more flowers, more pearls. I'm sorry, the camera's not focusing. Butterflies. And then I got more letters from Walmart just in case. I'm just gonna kind of wing this because I have absolutely I haven't watched any like tutorials or anything. I'ma just make it up as I go.
It ain't nice to discuss cause it is to me. And so what? I've had you fell in love a couple times. Tell me what's into you. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me what's into you. Tell me, is it a crime to fall? Is it a crime? Call it a crime, no.
coming together, guys.
Over cutting the cake and whatnot. So they can see it.
That's the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more because I'm so excited to film. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye. You gotta hit the phone with me.